Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how we can customize your interface font on Microsoft Edge really quickly. So let us guide you through this and show you how to do it, guys. So head over to Microsoft Edge, click into these three dots in the top right corner and access your browser settings by clicking into settings here. And inside your browser settings, click into appearance here on the left hand side, and to the right here, scroll all the way down till you get to the fonts. Click into it or into that arrow to the right icon here to start customizing. And now guys, go through that setup here and customize, for example, your font size. You may select a small font size. There you go. You will see the preview or the example below, or a large font, just like that. So let me go back to medium. The minimum font size, the standard font, which is usually Times New Roman, but you may go with another one like that one here, or one of these from that list. And you might select also the serif font, sans serif font, and also fixed width font. So simply click into these options here, into these drop down menus, and select your preferred fonts. And that's how you customize your fonts on Microsoft Edge. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.